Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today just showing you some stuff. I was home today and I was just making up some little goodie bags, and just showing you what I was doing. I had made these on my channel, I guess over a year ago. Some of these, and I just decorated them with some punches and dies. That's upside down. And I pulled them out and I was like, oh. And they were inspiring me to just make some more. So I decided to pull out some paper and use up some of my paper pads, and I will show you what I did. I have not finished, okay, but I'm just showing you these real quick. See, these are some of the ones that I made, and I can put the links to the videos to these below. But anyway, so what I was doing was trying to get some paper. And one of the ways to kill a paper pads, like we all been to Tuesday Morning or the like, and you buy these 25-pack sheets of paper like this, like that, you know, whatever. That's the same thing. Most of them are double-sided. I prefer the double-sided, but you can get any kind, just because you get two bang for your buck when it comes to making these envelopes, not envelopes, gift bags. You can make them several different ways. You can make them with your Remember Keepers board. You can make them straight by hand. They're easy to make. You can just fold the paper over almost in thirds and then cut the bottom up. I can show a tutorial if you need me to. But anyway, I was making some, and so you can see the type of paper pads that I use. Again, these came from Tuesday Morning, the 25 packs. So I just use this. Like I make these. These are the opposite side of each of that one, so at least 3 each. Same thing like this. And I've made others before, and I've given them away, but I just never showed a video of how, you know, some of this. But anyway, and then what I do is I keep the scraps over here to cut embellishments and tags and different things out of it until it gets smaller, and I throw it away. But this is a great way to use up those 25 sheets packs of paper. Example, like in here, this just hole punched and put some of the tags that I made with my Remember Keep a tag punch. You can use any tag punch. You can use any kind. You can use anything. Ribbon, cording, string, fun fur. Same thing here. Put some clothespins. Made some of these out with my Remember Keepers punches. Pulled some of those out to make doilies. Now these are a little bit bigger than this is. I think 6 inches. I didn't forget my dimensions because I made these a while ago. I think it's at least a 6 by 6. The size of these are at least a 6 by 6. So most of your smaller dies don't necessarily fit it, but you can use the smaller ones. I just made one big enough that would fit this, so the 6 by 6 would fit it. So I think this is actually 6 by 7. But anyway, I use different decorative edge. You can use scissors. I used the Remember Keepers cutter that I had. They had different edges, like the deco, the postage, and I forgot the other names. But you can use any kind of decorative edge, and you don't have to decorate edge. You can hole punch, not hole punch. You know, just a lot of different things. There's another doily I made that doily, and again, I'm still finishing up what I'm going to put in the packages, because I'm sending out some Happy Mail and Goodie Mail that some people, and I just thought I'd show a video, so I was making some of these, you know. But I was home today, and I just was encouraging people, like, that's a good way to kill up your paper pads. That's why I buy those 25 paper pads. You can make multiples of the same things, and they are great items to stuff into a nice goodie bag. And you can put whatever you like, or you can do just like I did with these. You can finish them off and give them to the person. So you could do either way. I've done both. But everybody has different styles, so usually I just send some cut aparts and they can pick and choose and throw out whatever they don't want. You know, but again, think about that. That's just a neat way to gift a gift to someone as well. So I'm going to finish working up on these so I can get to the mailbox and get some of this stuff out. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that, and I put out some old punches, doilies, again, anything that you want to use, words, sentiments, however you want to decorate those. Just stick it in there and have those little gift sets ready for swap partners or just, you know, anything like that. So I'm just trying to build my stash up and having some things ready, and you know, just pulling out of the doilies and just different things like that so I can get some stuff made up. So anyway, just thought I come to a video. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.